Wakefield here again for another video. If you remember the Xbox 360 we found in the garbage that had the red ring of death, here it is right here. Took it all apart. It's a pain. If yours is fully working, don't take it apart. Even if you don't have warranty, it sucks. But got it fully apart. Got all the thermal paste off that, and like I said, it has the red ring of death. So we're gonna use a good old heat gun. I'm probably not gonna show that on camera because I'll probably do something really wrong, and I can't really hold two things at once. But yeah, just give it one last dust off. So you can hear there's nothing in there, but yeah. So there isn't anything to lose. There's really more to gain if it's still broken because it came with a 250 gig hard drive and I can use that in a computer. So, it'll never be able to be used in a Xbox, but it will be able to be used in a computer. So, yeah, I guess we'll just see where this goes and see if we're successful, and maybe we can actually see what is on the Xbox. And yeah, so I guess see you guys then. And yes, if you guys are wondering, I will be taking the proper safety precautions. I'm probably going to put it down right here, but I'm going to clear all this stuff away and broom it. So, just to make sure that we have the best chance of nothing catching on fire. But anyway, let's get on to the fixing of the Xbox. Yeah, guys, here's the cooler. I cleaned it up already. I know the video had issues, so my father came and helped me. It's still cooling down, so we did that. But I think they put it in a really bad spot because this is not thermal paste. This is where the processor was. So I think either they had it on top of their set-top box or something you're not supposed to do. Whenever something like a 7th gen console, it needs a lot of area to dissipate the heat because they just get so hot because of the nanometer process they were built on. It wasn't really made for stuff like that, and they're my cameras again, so, oh, it's back. But, yeah, otherwise I'm going to clean up all of these pieces that are on the table. Don't worry, I already took pictures, so I know where all these screws go, but I'll be wiping all this stuff down while I do that, and yeah, so hopefully we can get it working again, and if it does work, I might monitor something, because I already have an Xbox 360, and this is just one I found in the trash, and it had everything, so it might be kind of interesting. And if you're wondering, Xbox hard drive, original Xbox ID hard drives, do not work in any other computers. I've tried. I bet there's a way, but I can't get it to work. But anyway, I'm just going to wait for this, and I don't know, I might show you a bit of the reassembly process, or I might just show you it not working or working. Who knows? That is in the future. Alright guys, here it is. All put back together. I just plugged it into the wall. Let's see what happens. Come on. Here, maybe I need to put in the hard drive. 1 second. Here, let me put in the hard drive. There, you heard the hard drive be put in. And, let's see. It does make the right noises. I don't know if it's supposed to have the ring around it, but, I'm going to connect it up to my TV and I'll see if it works. Alright guys, here we are. Sorry about the shaking because I'm shaking because I don't know if it worked or not. But there we are, we're on component. And I'm going to press the power button. Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Here, let me get control connected. got my Xbox 360 controller. Let me unwind it 1 second. And then we'll play a game. Because I have some games. Let's see. Plug in my controller. There it is. And it detects the controller. Let me get out of the... Wow, there's a lot of people on this. Let's click Adam. What's this? Console can't connect to Xbox Live. Your connection yeah, look, it's working. And there's like 300 accounts on here.
What?
Yeah.
How many games are there?
Oh, well, I'm not connected to the internet, so. But, yeah, it works. So, might mod it.
How big is that hard drive?
250 gigs. Let's see, 480p. Let's do 720p. There we go. That looks better. It is 2005. Okay. System info. Let's see. What are we running? We are running... I have no clue. Is that version 2? I have no clue. I don't know how to look properly. So, it seems like somebody really didn't use the hard drive on this Xbox. But yeah, I'm gonna put it back together and, oh yeah, we're gonna get to it. I guess we can see if it reads a disc. Here, I'll have... I never played GTA 4. It's reading it. Play a game. I don't know what the intro to GTA 4 is, so... This is the only TV I have, sorry, it's like old. Yeah, it's definitely a bit different than GTA 5. So that seems to work. Yeah, we're putting out heat now. Is there a way to skip this? I don't really care. I don't know how to skip this. I guess I'll just watch it. It's definitely reading from disk, so yeah. That's cool. So, a free Xbox 360. I'll leave it running, of course, stress test it. Run a pretty intensive game like Minecraft. It's no joke on these, because these are tri-core processor machines, so... Yep, I'll get my Minecraft disk and put it in and make a huge world, but... Yeah.
Daddy's back, you bitches! Daddy's back, you bitches!
Yeah. Oh, there we are.
Come on! Come on! Nico, what are you doing? Dave is not coming. Ignore him.
Damn, it's coming.
Ready before we go.
Yeah, look at that.
Yes, ask me that.
Man, those graphics actually look as good as my computer. My computer has a 1060 in it.
Oh, yeah!
Wow.
Liberty City. Yeah. You ever been? Oh, crazy place, Nico.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can play it offline. I don't know when the last time it was updated, but yeah, heat's coming out of there. So
I might try to make a go of it. Like they say, he's the
yeah, I think that's where we're gonna end it. So
I always wanted to make it big.
yeah, reads a disc, works fine. So So I will probably be playing some games on it.
You are going to clean up downstairs, right?
Yeah, but it reads discs and it works. So
Alright.
I call that a success, guys. So until we meet again, we'll make another video. Bye, guys.